Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix bio problem on Instagram free. It's easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you have to do first, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then go to apps again. And now once you're here, just type Fritz and click on it. Now click force stop, then go to storage and clear cache, and that's it. Now go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click these two lines here and log out, and after that just log in again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.